Dude, fan one. Keep going, keep on right. All right, you guys aren't done.
First, Kenny. In second, KT.
Okay.
It is.
It's a nice change of pace.
It's also nice to do off-road.
All right, kids. Let's qualify. It's time to start. All right, figure yourselves out. Here we go, guys. This is a 5-minute qualifier. Let's go really fast and don't crash. You guys are doing amazing. It's true. And don't hit the wall.
KT in second with 7 laps. Snowbox in third with 7 laps. Huck Norris in fourth with 6 laps. Spinal in fifth with 6 laps.
Oh, that just takes the whole pavement around.
Do you know what's broken? Do you need light?
He needs a servo motor minus.
Sure. Alright guys. 3, 2, 1. Okay, one of those has to
No, just start. Oh.
A little bit.
If you are Norris, Snowfox, Spinal, Amazing Blaze, Vanilla Gorilla, Lieutenant Dan, or Gordy, you are now racing. The top 2 are going to be moving on into our A main final to join on the Jinx, LBZ 34, KT, Kenny, and Putters.
Magic Legs in first with 17 laps. Vanilla Gorilla in second with 15 laps. Amazing Blaze in third with 14 laps. Snowfox in fourth with 13 laps. Norris in Magic Legs in first with 22 laps. With 8 laps. I'm the Juice in 6th with 8 laps. Vanilla Gorilla in 7th with 7 laps. With 12 laps. LT Magic Legs. Finish your last lap. Kenny. In second, LBZ 34. In third, KT. In fourth,